Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary and Mary's Stamping Happenings. And today is Tips and Techniques Tuesday. And I got a quick and easy technique. We're going to do a card. In there's card Thursday, but I want to show you the technique first so you can get everything and you won't be so you'll be a little prepared. We are going to do what I call the flip, flop, flap card. Say that 3 times fast. It can go this way or you could do it this way, whatever you like. All you need is you need a piece of cardstock 11 inches by 4 1/4. So just cut it halfway, the opposite of what we usually cut the card at. Then what you're going to do is you're going to score it at 5 1/2, okay? Just score it at 5 1/2. And you got a half. Now what you're going to do is you're going to cut 3 inches off a side of this. Either side, doesn't matter. Oops, better get that one back there. So now you have a piece. This should be about 8 inches by 4 1/4 and 3 inches by 4 1/4. Okay? Now you can decorate this whatever you want. You can decorate this. I would put a piece of neutral cardstock in the inside and decorate it however you wish. And then you're going to, this was like this, so you're going to flip it, you're going to flop it on, and that's going to make a flap. So once it's all decorated, you just put it on. Now you can put it on all the way down to the end. You can put it down so there's a little more showing like this, or however you'd like. But then you just attach it and you got a flip, flop, flap card. It's a really easy card and we will be making this one here soon. So thanks for visiting. Remember to follow me on YouTube, and I would appreciate it if you like my videos. You can find out how to shop with me down below. Thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.